press the refrigerant with a vapor, my head pressure is a little bit low, and so is my suction. CHV is not frozen, so what I'm going to do now, when I meter this in, my left hand now becomes a metering device. I'm just going to slowly meter it in until the pressure slowly increases. You charge 1 pound, and you finish it off with a vapor. And the pressure slowly will increase. Takes forever, but here we go. Flowing good? Almost there. Usually on this system, right now I have around 50, 55, and my head pressure is almost 200. So when I'm done metering this in, I should have a high pressure of 200 and a low of 65. I barely got a pound of refrigerant in this place. Just keep metering, see? Perfect charge.
That's it?